Okay, y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, Shop With Me. I know I didn't do one 2 weeks ago, but here it is today. I'm going to break it down what I picked up. A bag of potatoes. I got my pizza for my snacks. Italian bread. 2 dozen of the 18 count eggs. Broccoli, an orange, 2 tomatoes, carrots, and the sweet potato. Then I picked up my lunch meat, which is provolone, regular ham, pepper ham, and my Joe salami. Mixed sandwiches. Got 2 blocks of cheese, cheddar, and the white cheddar. And then I got all my sauces, and I'm going to be making orange chicken. So that's the orange sauce. I got teriyaki again. I just fell in love with this flavoring for my chicken wings. Worcester sauce. I use that in a lot of stuff. Liquid smoke. Hickory smoke. Barbecue sauce. My Hellmann's mayonnaise, a pack of noodles for my macaroni salad. Then I got long torpedo rolls, Caesar croutons for my salad. And I got some crescent rolls. I love these. And some margarine. And this is from one store, and let me just pull this over here, being that this goes to this store that I went to, which is Food Lion. And I thought this was kind of pricey. I paid $13.37 for a chuck roast, but it's cold, and this will be a meal, you know, with the carrots and everything. So. And I'm going to move right on. So I went to 2 stores, and then I went to the meat store down here. And y'all, they had bacon. It's a non-name, but for $1.99, bacon is bacon. $1.99. So I got 3 packs of that. Packs of bacon. Oh, and then I got my breakfast patties, because I had a 65-cent coupon off of that. And then I got the 18-piece. Oh, I love these sausage. They remind me of Bojangles biscuit sausage, if you ever tried those. These sausages are good. And then also back at the Food Line, I had got the 2-pack of Italian sausage. These were on sale this week for, I think, $1.79. So I got 2 packs of those. And back to the meat store, they had the Ringer, which is the non-GMO antibiotic, you know, no antibiotics and all that jazz, and your chicken's organic for $3.02, and they were 94 cents a pound. And I haven't bought a whole chicken in years and years. So that's going to be a good meal. Picked up a pack of hamburger, $4.23. I thought that wasn't too bad. And then I got me some turkey wings. That's going to be great. Smothered with some turkey gravy, mashed potatoes one evening. I love scrapple, so I got me a pack of scrapple. They had these, look at these pork chops. Family pack of, looks like 8 pork chops for $3.86. And they were just bringing these out when I went into the store. And then they had pork spare ribs. These were $2.84 for 2 slabs. And then I found another pack for $2.87. So they're already sliced. The membrane should be off of it in the back. If not, I'll double check. And these will be good. Throw them in the crock pot, y'all. And then again, I found the Ringer brand chicken wings. This is the information that it says. It has no hormones, no antibiotics, no animal byproducts in feed ever. All natural, fresh chicken. So I'm switching over to the Springer Mountain Farms brand for my chicken. I paid $11.89 for the chicken wings. Now I went to this meat store first, and when I went over to Food Lion, they had the chicken wings for like $8 or $9, but they are not organic. You know, they have all that other preservatives and stuff, and you know, just trying to start eating healthy, cut back on a lot. Just because I'm trying to eat healthy doesn't mean that my husband isn't. So yeah, you may see pork and some other stuff in my video, but that's just to cook him something to eat. So I'll just give a pan around, show you what I got. And I did not stay on my budget because when I went grocery shopping 2 weeks ago, I really didn't get a lot. So at Food Lion, I spent like $66. You'll see at the end of the video the tally for that. And I did not film in the meat store, but I spent like $44. So I think I went over about 15 bucks. But yeah, I got every type of meat, and my husband, he'll be happy that he'll get a meal every day next week, maybe. So, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.